What are you doing in there? You shouldn't be in there. What's Lisa gonna think? Find you in the refrigerator. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rick here, and on today's video, I'm gonna talk with you on some tips and tricks to help prolong the life of your water pump. So stay tuned. So guys, recently I was on Airstream Addicts and I was reading a conversation that one of the commentators had placed on the forum talking about how their freshwater tank would start to fill up and overflow whenever they were connected to city water. And a good friend of mine, Rich Collins from YouTube channel Love Subbin, had provided an excellent diagram to kind of explain the process of what was occurring. And if you're not familiar with it, is that inside of your water pump, there's an internal check valve. When you're pumping water from your fresh tank, it's moving in one direction. When it's hooked up to city water, it's receiving back pressure from that city water connection. So to prevent the failure of that check valve inside your water pump, there's a simple trick that I'm going to show you today and explain how you can help prevent that problem from occurring in your Airstream. So depending on the make and model of your Airstream, your water pump is going to be located somewhere in the cabinetry of your Airstream. Once you locate it, it's just a matter of identifying the two PEX tubes that are coming into the water pump. One is the input and one is an output. The input is coming from your fresh water tank. The output is going to your internal house plumbing. So the water that is being pumped from the water pump will then go to your sinks and your toilets and your showers. It's only going to take a few seconds to do this task. You just got to turn off the water, find the right line that you want to cut, and then you'll cut it, and then you'll insert the 1/2 inch either check valve, or you can insert in a ball valve like what I'm going to do here today. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and let's get after it. So the first step you want to do is you just want to go ahead and make sure you turn off the city water that's connected to your Airstream. You also want to make sure that your water pump is turned off so it doesn't try pumping while you're doing your work. So once you locate your water pump, which mine is, as you can see right here, you will see the two water lines that are coming into the pump. This far line back here is my water line coming into the pump, and this is passing through this filter, as well as then this line here runs to the fresh water tank. This is my water outline that then goes to all the plumbing within the Airstream. Goes to your sinks, your showers, your toilet, and all those other places. So the problem that you're gonna face, and the reason why your fresh water tank will fill up, is when you connect to city water, you get water pressure that's pushing in to your water pump through this outline. Inside here is a check valve. That check valve can potentially fail over time. So what you want to do is provide some type of check valve either before it gets to your water pump, or in my case, I'm going to swap it out for a manual valve. So as you can see here, there is already a connector that is in place. I previously had a check valve in that position, but I decided I didn't want to just have a check valve. I wanted to go ahead and have a ball valve so I could manually open and close that line, as opposed to a check valve. I can't manually open or close it. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this connector and insert the new ball valve, and then that'll be it for this task. So now that we've got the old valve removed, we're going to go ahead and install this ball valve. So if you do install one of these ball valves, one thing you'll have to remember to do anytime you want to use your water pump, if you're out boondocking, is you'll have to, whenever you turn on your water pump, just make sure you come over here and open this valve back up, so that way then the water can flow from your fresh water tank into your house plumbing. Okay, so after you get the valve installed, the next thing to do is just to go outside, turn on the city water, and then come back in and make sure you don't have any leaks. And then you should be good to go. And well, also check to make sure that you still have water going to your sink, showers, and bathroom. Hey guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you found this tip to be useful. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you follow along in our journeys. Also, if you'd give us a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It helps YouTube know that you enjoy this content. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. And if we don't hear from you, hopefully we'll see you down the road.